Hello everyone and welcome to OST 110. I just wanted to quickly give you a tutorial and show you how easy it is to order your textbook online. You'll use the link that I sent you in your email to the BCTC Bookstore website. Once you get there, this is the page you will see. You will go up here to this click down menu, course materials and textbooks, and then you will click on find course materials. Once here, you need to click on this blue bar and you will need to choose Bluegrass Community and Technical Bookstore, Newtown Campus. After you choose that, then you will need to select your term, which is spring of 25. Department is OST. The course number is 110. And the section, you're either going to be in 19Z1 or 19Z2. It does not matter which one that you choose because the textbook is the same for both. Once you click on that, now you're going to click on Retrieve Materials. And you will see here is your required textbook. You will click on add to cart. For some reason I already have it in my cart, and then proceed to cart. Now once you get to your cart, you have the option to choose fast in-store pickup or ship to address. Either one, if you click on ship to address and proceed to checkout, it's going to ask you what your address information is, and then you would just follow the steps to complete your checkout. If you have any questions, I have given you the information to the bookstore and also to the financial aid office, so please feel free to give them a call and they will assist you in the process. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.